In this video, we will highlight all the options available to you in setting up a channel. Click on the Settings button for any of the channels you wish to set up. Here, the post-weld mode is selected, so the current recipe stored in the channel is shown on the right. You can load a saved recipe by clicking on the Open File button. You will need to click the Write to Controller button to download it to the channel. You can edit an individual recipe step by selecting it and clicking Edit Step. This is updated as soon as you click OK on the new pop-up dialog. If you change the mode to preheat, the channel options will change. You can edit these values as necessary. These values will only be sent to the controller if you click OK to close this dialog. Changing the mode to percentage timer only allows you to set the percentage output of the channel when it is running. You can also set this channel as a slave to another channel from here. Set it as a slave and select the channel it is to be slaved to. Here you can set the tolerances for the cycle. These will set an alarm if the channel fails to follow the temperature profile correctly. I set the channel back to preheat mode. You can also give the channel a name for the chart and reports generated for the next heat cycle. Before you run the cycle, you can turn on the output here to check there is current going out and also watch for a rise in temperature to make sure all is connected correctly. To send any changes to the controller, click on OK to close this dialog box. Thank you for watching. Please check out the rest of the video tutorials on how to use the user-friendly HeatView software, or go to heatview.ca and click on the Contact Us button if you need any more support.